you don't get as much contact with the ground, you know.
Yeah, but are they
But they're new, so they still gotta break in, you know.
Yeah, they're still a little like slimy.
Yeah, yeah. All right, so we're gonna go this way. We're gonna take Vanderbilt.
Okay.
So we could cross right here, actually. Yeah. That was close. What did that sound, by the way?
I don't know. It's that tire. I don't know.
Oh.
Back side?
Yeah, I'm not sure. Is it the crank?
No, that's the tire.
Oh.
It almost smells like if I had a piece of tape or something on the tire.
Yeah.
The rotation keeps hitting stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna make a left on 57. This Queens Boulevard, right? Yeah, they got bike lanes now, actually. We got the walk signal. I gotta put my GPS on now. Not too bad. Just my toes are cold, actually.
I put these on my toes because these are things booty.
Yeah. Just have the hold on the bottom for the clips, right?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Hello. That shit hit the post, man.
Wow.
That's crazy. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, airbag is out and everything. Almost there. Oh shit, look. We're supposed to see them coming in from over here, so hopefully they're using that runway today.
Yeah.
We can clearly see. Yeah, fuck, they're taking off that way. Shoot. They're supposed to be, yeah, it's like a school over there, Vaughn College, yeah. So there's video on YouTube of students watching the planes take off. Right. You know, it's not that cold when you stop riding. So it's pretty good right now.
Yeah, no, it's not bad. You know what? My hands warmed up, my feet are still cold. Like
yeah.
My toes are still cold.
Yeah, same.
You know what this?
Yeah. Yeah. I forgot what brand that is. Yeah, I forgot what you call those. I got the flight simulator. No, those are jets, man. Those go pretty fast.
Yeah, like Lears?
Lears, yeah, that's it. Yeah, I think that's what that is.
Oh yeah. I feel that all the way over here. Yeah.
cold. Let's get out of here.
Those things only look slow because they're huge. I'm pretty sure they're going like 100-some miles an hour.
Oh yeah, like about 150 before they take off. Right.
But I wouldn't get another DJI. I would want to get like a cheaper one, just so I have and the girls can play with it and shit. Like none that goes far away.
Right. You got it with you, right? Oh, okay.
No, it's in the car.
It's in the car? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I didn't bring it with me.
Start flying that shit over there.
Yeah, man. I'm thinking of how fast somebody would come over here.
Not even come over here, just shoot that shit down.
Yeah, but that's fine.
Some dude got arrested, man.
Alright, this asshole, he registered it on the FA. Okay, we got him.
You know, some dude got arrested. He was flying it over like the U.S. Open, and then it crashed.
Oh yeah, I remember.
You remember the teacher? He got arrested. He went to go get that show. Like, fuck that, man. Cut your losses.
It's American Eagle. You know, there's much.
Right. That's a plane right there. I don't know if it's coming here though. Shit, look like it's turning. Oh look, it's a plane right there.
That's landing.
Yeah, that's landing.
That one's landing. Yep.
Ah shit, we're gonna see some good shit today.
Yeah, that one is landing.
That shit is probably like 5 miles away, but it's gonna be here in a couple minutes.
It's still probably landing at 200 miles an hour, or at least cruising in.
Yeah, I think it lands, it touched the ground like at 150, something like that.
And they throw in those reverse thrusts, shit slows it down like nothing.
Yeah. And they got brakes, got mechanical brakes, reverse thrust, flaps.
For that, yeah, all that stuff, I guess. But the reverse thrust, I think is a major thing that slows it down.
Right.
Just like that's what propels it.
Yeah.
So this is a new school, right? So, damn.
I don't know
Where's
how
the College of Aeronautics at?
This is it. It says it.
No. Did they change the name?
Maybe. It says Von College Aeronautics something on the bottom.
But they used to just be called the College of Aeronautics. I remember that my cousin used to go there years and years ago.
That's taken off? Oh, yeah. It's a plane. Now it looks like it's going up.
It does, but
I feel like it's turning too. I don't know.
yeah, now it does go up.
That shit came from New York or something.
Maybe that's what we're seeing in New York.
Yeah.
Fuck.
I didn't realize how like not busy LaGuardia was.
Well, it's Sunday. You're gonna get more stuff in the afternoon, like I said.
Right.
People coming back from the weekends and stuff.
Right. Oh, there go a plane.
And you see them taking off now over there.
Yeah. Here comes another one. But yeah, you know how you were saying like the weekdays you'll see a lot of planes, because if you're like at like Claxton Point, you'll see like 3 or 4 planes in a row, easy.
They're lined up, yeah. Like how they
Easy.
taxiing to get out.
Yeah, and they have to be landing like where we were. All right, man, fuck this.
7 train.
7 train. Yeah.
Fuck you gonna go?
Fucking weird. It's to the right.
You're gonna go to Citifield. Train station's up there.
Yeah. Yeah, so like it's telling me right, but I don't know, it's strange.
Just hold mine.
Yeah, pass. Yeah, your bike is light, bro.
Local train. The next stop is 111th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Oh, thank you.